In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise hand in Zoom. If you've ever been in a Zoom meeting and wanted to get the host's attention without interrupting, the raise hand feature is exactly what you need. It places a clear raised hand icon next to your name and typically bumps you to the top of the participant list, so the host or presenter knows you're waiting to speak. You'll stay muted unless they unmute you, which helps keep the conversation organized. Here's how it works on a computer, whether you're on Windows or Mac. Look along the Zoom toolbar during your meeting and click the React button. This opens the Reactions panel, where you'll see several emojis and controls. Click Raise Hand underneath the emojis, and your virtual hand goes up immediately. When you're finished or your question has been addressed, go back to the same spot and click Lower Hand. That returns you to normal and lets the host know you're all set. If you prefer to use the keyboard, Zoom gives you quick shortcuts that do the same thing. On Windows, press Alt plus Y. On a Mac, press Option plus Y. Pressing it once raises your hand. Pressing it again lowers it. It's a simple toggle and can be especially handy when you want to react quickly without moving your mouse. There's also an optional, more natural way to do it using gesture recognition, as long as your Zoom version supports it. If you're on version 5.10.3 or newer, you can raise your real hand in front of your camera, and Zoom will detect it and automatically raise your virtual hand for you. To turn this on, open Zoom's Settings, go to Meetings and Webinars, then Reactions, and enable Activate Hand Gesture Recognition. Once it's on, make sure your camera is on, your hand is clearly visible, and your lighting is decent so Zoom can recognize the gesture reliably. If you don't see the option, your app may be on an older version or disabled by your organization's settings. A couple of quick reminders to help things go smoothly. When your hand is raised, other participants and the host can usually see that status next to your name, so there's no need to unmute and speak over someone. And when you're done, remember to lower your hand so the host knows you're finished. That's all there is to it. Click Raise Hand in Reactions. Use Alt plus Y or Option plus Y for a fast toggle, or enable gesture recognition if it's available. Thanks for watching, and enjoy smoother, more organized Zoom meetings.